You are watching Phone Arena's video review of the new Eten X600. The X600 comes as the successor of the X500 and is the smallest of all phones in the catalog of the Taiwanese company. With its dimensions, the new Eten is a rival of devices such as LG KS20 and HTC Touch, and like them it runs on Windows Mobile 6 Professional. In contrast to those two, the new phone is quad-band and has a GPS with Sirf Star III chipset built in. Unfortunately, same as with the HTC Touch, 3G support lacks here, which nowadays is a big drawback. As we can see, the Eten's design doesn't suggest the device is intended to be a fashion phone, but a device with a rather youthful and somewhat aggressive appearance. The red and black plastic used to manufacture the X600 feels like rubber-coated and contributes for its look. Here, same as with the most phones similar to the X600, we find a 2.8-inch QVGA TFT display with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels, able to reproduce up to 65,536 colors. The picture is with well-saturated colors, with absolutely no trouble reading the display even in broad daylight. The two service LED indicators are located over it. In contrast to the X500, two buttons are added in the X600. The first one gives you start menu access and the second one is an OK button. As a whole, all keys are characterized by a large size, very good tactile feedback, and are pleasant and convenient to operate. On the left side of the device, you will find the volume control, voice recorder, and the reset buttons, and the 2.5mm jack is located on the bottom. The power key and the camera shortcut are on the right. All keys have a good tactile feedback, but are lacking a well-distinguished relief, and the power on-off button blends in with the phone and is impossible to notice. The microSD slots, USB cable, and the microphone opening have assigned space in the bottom part of the phone, and the telescopic stylus can be found in the lower right. The 2-megapixel camera with LED flash and the loudspeaker are on the back side of the device. In order to make the phone user-friendly, Eten, like the other manufacturers, HTC, LG, etc., personalizes the home screen utilizing a limited version of the SPB mobile shell software. There is a toolbar in the upper part of the home screen, which expands when selected. There are 4 icons by default, but 2 more can be added and the order in which they appear can be rearranged. We will examine the toolbar as present in the factory. The first icon indicates the battery remaining, but when selected, a menu appears showing the last 12 applications used. The second one is a shortcut to the world clock and alarms menu. The third one leads to the weather forecast, and the last one gets us to the dial tab, where you can set up to 6 contracts for speed dial, characterized by name or picture attached. In addition, you have one more menu for a faster access to the phone's functions. It is activated by tapping the quick bar home button and consists of 9 shortcuts to different applications, including flashlight that uses the camera LED, a customized task manager including a good finger touch control which facilitates termination of running applications has been added as well. The X600 has the M-Disk menu preloaded as the rest of the Eten models. It is activated by double tapping the quick bar button. The software provides shortcuts to various menus of the phone divided in 4 tabs: Phone, PDA, Fun, and System. The rest of the interface is standard for the operation system. The 2-megapixel camera interface of the X600, which is the same as in all Eten phones, can be either in landscape or portrait view. The pictures taken are in low quality, but this is mostly typical for a phone of that class. If you are looking for a Windows Mobile smartphone with small dimensions, Eten X600 is a good choice. Its appearance is not as stylish as of the KS20 and the HTC Touch, and the sound quality while talking is not good, but it is a global phone with a built-in GPS receiver. Please visit phonearena.com to read our full text review.